Hey, have you ever wondered how AI actually think like human? Does it have any tiny brain inside? Well, no, but we can make it like one using some cool concepts. Last time we talked about how AI recognizes faces and understands speech and respond to our commands and even predict the future. Kinda like digital fortune teller, right? But today we are diving deeper. AI is just not a one thing. It has a different branches, kinda like family tree, but way cooler. So let's break it down. What are the subsets of AI? What are the subsets of AI? Imagine AI as a superhero and each of its subsets is a different superpower. Let's check them out. First one, machine learning. Machine learning, this is where AI start learn on its own, kinda like how we learn from experience and no need for step-by-step instruction. Just store the data at it and boom, it's figure thing out. It's find patterns and making decision and improve over the time. It's like how Netflix knows exactly what weird show will be next. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning. Think of a teacher giving AI the answer first. It learns and then try to guess the correctly. Example, your mail sorting spam from important messages. Next one, unsupervised learning. No teacher and no labels. AI just finds pattern on its own. Example, how YouTube groups similar videos together. Next one, semi-supervised learning. A mix of both. AI gets a little bit of help but mostly figure things out by itself. So next, reinforcement learning. AI learns by trial and error, kinda like training a puppy. So next concept is deep learning. Now this is where AI gets fancy and deep learning is like a machine learning but with turbo boosters. It mimics how brain works and with a neural network, a human complex system of layers that process information. It powers self-driving cars and voice assistant and even deepfake videos. How deep learning works? It has an input layer and hidden layer and an output layer. The input layer take in raw data like images or text and voice. And the hidden layers, magic happen in here. Data is processed and transformed. Next one output layer. Spins out the final result. It's like baking a cake, ingredients go in. They get mixed and baked and out comes something delicious. Or a power masterpiece. Okay, next go to the reinforcement learning. Alright, let's talk about reinforcement learning. Whether AI learns by getting rewards or punishments. Just like training a dog, good action, treat and bad action, no treat. Example, AI playing video games and improving with every round. There are two types of reinforcement learning, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. So in this positive reinforcement, AI gets a virtual high five for good performance, and the negative reinforcement, AI gets no and try again when it messes up. Next one, negative reinforcement. AI gets no, try again when it messes up. So from the conclusion, AI is just not one thing. It has a mixture of different learning styles that can help us to cool stuff we seen today. If we had fun learning today, smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any future videos. This is Hamish, you are watching Ham Learns. See you next time with more AI fun.